guys. Alright, tonight I have McDonald's, which my fries really kind of pissed me off, but I didn't feel like getting back out to go complain. I requested for Big Mac sauce for my fries. I like to dip my fries in Big Mac sauce. They charged me 30 cents for a cup of Big Mac sauce, and they didn't give it to me. Pissed me off. And it's just too cold to go out. Back out again. It's like 29 degrees or something like that. So I need to get back out. I should have checked, but I didn't. Check for everything else, but I forgot to check for that. So here a bit. Pardon me. Yeah, I guess that's gonna have to do it. Oh, hang on here. I think I just figured out how to work this thing. Yay! Maybe. We'll see here. No, that made it worse. Hold on. Oh, a little bit better. Okay, so I got fries. I guess I'll use ketchup. Put my salt on it. Big Mac sauce though. Too much salt. Blood pressure issues. I don't need the salt. Ketchup. I brought my own Pepsi. I didn't buy the Pepsi. I wanted a chocolate shake. Supposedly their machine was broke. I did chocolate shake. My favorite. In case you've not noticed, I have this thing for chocolate. And let's see. Got a Big Mac. And in case I'm still hungry, which I doubt, I'll probably eat this later, I got a little cheeseburger. And of course, plenty of napkins. Oh man, that pissed me off. I had to eat my fries first, I think. Ooh. It's got a twang to it. Wasn't expecting that. So, how's everybody doing? I'm drooling here. Sorry. Oh, and for dessert, I'm going to have some more Valentine cookies. Love those things. They like melt in your mouth. Awesome. Oh, I may not be eating much of that ketchup. That's got quite the twang to it tonight. I think it's got a lot of vinegar in it or something. Oh, man. It's good, but make you cross your eyes. This is the first time I ate all day. It's almost 7:30 p.m. and this is the first time we ate today. Usually we eat, hours before this because I need to take my medications. I'm not even taking my medications today. My blood pressure medications. It's like, oops. So my husband wanted to go to Aldi's, which is like a 45-minute drive from the town we live in. because there's no Aldi's in the town that we live in. We just moved to. Which really sucks. So, you want to go over there. We went over there primarily to get canned fruit cocktail for in case he ever gets his blood sugar too low. Usually 99.9% of the time his blood sugar is like too high, but occasionally he actually takes just a little bit too much insulin, like miscalculates or something, I don't know, and it gets low. So for those times he likes to have a little bit of fruit cocktail on hand just for in case. So that's what we went over for. We get a couple flats of fruit cocktail. Came out with almost $100 worth of food. So, what? I also got my favorite. Well, it's not the main brand, like Kellogg's or whatever, but frosted cornflakes. Oh, I love frosted cornflakes. And the funny thing is, I add sugar on my frosted cornflakes. I'm weird. I gotta have sugar on my frosted cornflakes. I gotta have sugar on, I think, pretty much any cereal I have. I don't eat a whole lot of sugary foods anymore, well, except for little small amounts. Not big amounts like I used to. But I still gotta have sugar on my cereals, even my frosted cornflakes. So, and chocolate milk, of course. But yeah, it was a 45-minute drive over there. The car was, I don't know what the heck was going on, but the car was like vibrating the entire way over there. It felt like a tire was flat or something, but nothing was wrong. So we're just assuming it was the road. I don't know. Plus, the heater on the car didn't want to heat up the way it should. It finally got heated up. Car finally got warm. About the time we finally got to Aldi's, 45 minutes away. Like, nice. So at least it was nice and toasty on the way home when it was even colder. But still, that was too far to drive for just going to Aldi's. These are good, but they're better when fresh. They were fresh a while ago. But I had to get all the groceries in before I could actually sit down and eat. My favorite fries, I know it sounds weird, my favorite fries are when we go to Five Guys. I don't know what it is about their fries, but wow, I just realized, here I am complaining about the twang of the ketchup because it tastes like it's got too much vinegar in it. But yet, when we go to Five Guys, I get ketchup and I get their malted vinegar and put in my ketchup. Don't ask. I think because there I put like a little bit less or something. I don't know. This has a lot in it tonight. I remember my grandma used to make homemade ketchup. It's like, ooh, that was good. I wish I paid attention more when my grandmothers were alive and learned a lot of things from them, particularly in the kitchen stuff. If only I could go back and do some things over. Both of them were good cooks. I remember going to my grandma Lillian's, and a lot of times when we'd just get there, she'd just be pulling out homemade bread out of the oven that she cooked in little cans, like sandwich bread type, but in cans, round. It's like, oh, that was so good. It smells so good. Oh. It's not bread related, but I remember one time she made some, I don't really know what you call it. I've seen recipes for it, and I want to make it sometime, but I can't remember what it's called. It's got lots of chocolate and oatmeal and some other stuff in it. It's almost like a no-bake type cookie. You just let it firm up or something on wax paper or something like that. But anyway, she made a whole bunch of those. And when she had her back turned, me and my cousin, we scarfed down. She actually had to make a whole second batch. She thought it was funny, but at the same time, she wasn't real happy with us either. It's like, oops. Oh, they were so good, though. Of course they were, because we all chocolate. But me and my cousin Tony, yeah, we scarfed down. I'm surprised she actually didn't make us come in the kitchen and help her make the second batch. Alright. Enough fries for now. Start eating my sandwich. I've come to realize lately I get full really quick, and I eat about the amount of a toddler. I actually started looking up the other night on Pinterest meal ideas for toddlers, because that's basically the amount that I can eat lately. I get full so fast. I was looking up healthy meals for toddler size stuff. Like little finger food type of stuff. And fun foods. Happy meals. That's actually what I thought about getting when I was at McDonald's, was a Happy Meal. I haven't had a Happy Meal in years. I used to get them just for fun. I should have got one. Just for shits and giggles. Upside down, but still. So yeah, that drive over to Aldi's and back, it was a long drive. It seemed longer than actually what it was. I think part it's because we hadn't ate yet, and I'm sitting in the car starving. All the Big Macs. Don't get them very often. I know I really shouldn't get McDonald's because, it's probably not even real meat. It's probably flavored cardboard. But still, sometimes when you're hungry, it kind of hits the spot at that moment. This thing isn't getting full already. Ridiculous. Sandwich is all falling off the backside. Oops. Not very much. Okay. Lighting's not very good in here. Sorry. Hoping to eventually get some better lighting. Just can't yet. I have some lamps around someplace that I actually add to the lighting, but since we just moved, I can't find them yet. They're probably out in the shed or in the canopy, buried someplace. So one thing I hate about moving, you can't find half your stuff afterwards. So many different things I can't find yet. Excuse me. I'm sure they're here. I just can't find them yet. I hate moving. I'm hoping that this is the last move I ever have to make. This was the hardest move ever. Having health issues, my husband having health issues. We didn't have anybody to help us get things packed. And when having health issues, that just makes things even harder. Friends that would say they'd come by and help me pack, didn't. I had to beg to actually get a crew together to help us actually get stuff moved down here. It's ridiculous. But yeah, this better be the last move. If I ever move again, it will be with very little stuff into an RV. I don't need all this junk like that. Hoping to have the yard sale in spring and get rid of a whole bunch of it. I love how they got the little sesame seeds all over. So cool. Okay, you're gonna see me eat weird. My husband always makes fun of me on this because I eat weird. Starts falling on the backside, I start eating it on the backside. You tease me because I eat around the sandwich and stuff, just eating like a normal person. I'm just boring. Anyhow, I'm getting full. I may not be able to get through all this. I may not even get to dessert. So anyway, like and subscribe if you want. Tell me if you like McDonald's and what your favorite things at McDonald's are. Besides getting messy. And I will see you soon. Did I say like and subscribe? Like and subscribe. I don't remember if I actually said it or not. Bye bye guys. Have a good one.